Hello again and welcome back to another AC tutorial. I am Guilherme from the Education team, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a little zhuzh to your campaigns by using images. Now if you're ready, open your account and let's get started. Now that you logged into your ActiveCampaigns account, you are in the main dashboard. The first thing we need to do is go on the left hand side menu, click on Campaigns, and then we're gonna select if you wanna create a brand new campaign from scratch, from a template, or if you wanna edit the image in an existing draft. Now we are in the Campaigns editor. If you see on the right hand side menu, there is a section called Blocks, which includes different options for us to personalize our campaigns. The block that we're looking for is called Images. You're gonna click into the image block, drag and drop it into the body of your campaign. Now click into the image block and a menu will appear. In this menu, you can use an existing image, you can generate an image using our AI generator, or you can upload an existing image from your file. Once your image is selected, you will see some customizations options on the right hand side. In here, you can adjust the size, the alignment, or add a link to your image. In this menu, you can also find a very engaging effect called the rollover effect. Enable this effect and you'll be able to display not only one image, but two images in the same image block. Once you make your adjustments, click into Preview on the top of your page. This part, you'll be able to see how your campaign looks either on desktop or on mobile, ensuring that your images displays correctly. Using visuals in your campaign strategy can help you a lot to increase those engagement rates. Now you're ready to step up your campaigns game. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.